You and your Springer. Straight from the windswept canyons of High Jump Ranch comes the last guidebook you'll ever need on Springer care. After years of working alongside stablemaster Unya and her expertly trained family of ranch hands, we've compiled the ultimate list of do's and don'ts for a responsible Springer owner. Whether you're looking to construct the ideal living environment, grow the right crossbreed of carrot, or learn just how high your Springer can safely jump without injury, this guide will offer all the answers and then some. A portion of profits from this book goes to support High Jump Ranch and its efforts to find homes for Springers all throughout the Crystal Desert.